Welcome to LyraTech. Today we're diving into the CyberPowerPC Gaming PC, a desktop that promises high-end performance with some truly next-generation components. We'll break down what makes this system stand out and where it might face challenges. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's look at the raw power and specifications that CyberPowerPC is bringing. The AMD Ryzen 9 9900X, while currently unreleased, signifies an aspirational top-tier CPU aimed at enthusiasts seeking raw processing power. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 with 12 GB of VRAM is another unreleased component, projecting excellent graphical fidelity and frame rates for. Equipped with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe 4. However, the major drawback is that both the CPU and GPU are unreleased, which means the product facts lack crucial. The memory and storage are excellent, but the speculative nature of the CPU and GPU specs. Beyond raw performance, let's explore how this PC handles connectivity, its aesthetics, and the connectivity is a definite strength, featuring a generous array of modern USB-C and USB-A 3. The system boasts liquid CPU cooling, a tempered side case panel, and custom RGB lighting, all contributing to a sleek. The $2,299.97 price point for a system built around unreleased, speculative components makes the immediate value signal very weak, as, while it includes a 1-year warranty and free lifetime tech support, relying on unreleased components for a premium PC presents. While connectivity and design impress, the high price for speculative hardware significantly lowers the immediate value. Ultimately, the CyberPowerPC Gaming PC presents an intriguing vision of future high-end performance. However, with the core CPU and GPU components currently unreleased, the product listed is speculative.